Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you some of the best deals that I grabbed at Walgreens for the week. I say some, and I'll explain that here in just a minute because I'm hoping this is not all I will get at Walgreens for the week. But it was a crazy morning and I will explain it to you, I promise. But in the video, I'm going to share with you all the best deals that I grabbed and exactly how I did those deals. I'll also share with you some clearance finds that I got while I was in the store. I have a money maker scenario for the spend booster of spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash if you happen to have it, that one. And I will also share with you some of the best grocery deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I know some people, myself included, like to use Walgreens cash to use on their groceries to help reduce their overall grocery budget for the month. Okay, so why I say these are some of the best deals. We have an appointment today at 10:30. So I set my alarm super early. That way I can make sure I got everything done for the Walgreens haul posted for you guys before that appointment. So when my alarm went off at 5 something, I apparently thought that I could just rest for just a second and then get up. Well, of course I fell back asleep, waking up even later than I normally do. So I was just frazzled. And then I placed my curbside order, which I'll tell you how I did that curbside order here in just a moment. And then I go to the store in my area that opens the earliest, and I was grabbing 3 of the P&G products, 2 toothbrushes and a toothpaste. I had 2 different manufacturer digitals, and it was supposed to give me a $5 register reward. Well, here's what happened. Only one manufacturer coupon came off, and the register reward didn't print. So for the first time in forever, I said, you know what, just forget it, just cancel it, which I never do. I never just cancel a transaction, but I did. So a couple of quick tips that come out of that. For me, that buy 3 at $3 on those Procter & Gamble products, it did not print the $5 register reward, so let us know down below if it is printing for you. I got 2 toothbrushes and a Crest toothpaste. Register reward didn't print. Also, I have noticed when I shop in store, if I have 2 manufacturer digitals for the same type of products, like the $3 off 2 for the toothbrushes and the $1 off 1 for the toothpaste, only one of them is coming off. So again, let me know if you're experiencing that as well, or if that's just me. So, frazzled morning, canceled that transaction. My car is also in the shop, so I am driving a big truck, which I'm not good at and I'm not used to, so I'm uncomfortable driving it. My brain was not functioning 100%. So when I got to the Walgreens to pick up my curbside order, my plan was I had put together a great scenario to use a paper booster of spend 50, get 10. And my store wasn't tagged at all, and I just didn't do it. So I didn't want to leave you hanging. I wanted to show you what I did get curbside, but all that being said, I might have a second Walgreens video if I can get it together and get that out to you, including some more personal care products. I also need to announce the giveaway winner from last week. So that was in conjunction with the Miles app, and that is a $50 gift card. The winner, which I randomly select, I use a random name selector, is Janine McDermott. So send me an email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com, and I will get with you to get you that $50 gift card. Last quick announcement that I want to share. We hit 15,000 subscribers, which is super exciting, and I just really appreciate you guys. So thank you for helping me get there. I am planning a fun giveaway for that, but I did not have it in my limited capacity brain this morning to get that figured out and get it done for you guys. Okay, let's talk about the curbside order that I did. I'm going to talk about each of these deals individually, and then I'll tell you how I put them together to use that spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster that I had. Okay, so the first deal is on the Colgate toothpaste. There are 2 different deals this week. The one I'm going to tell you about is on the $3.99 Colgates. buy 2 of them. There is a $4 digital coupon. So you'll pay $3.98. You'll get $4 back in Walgreens cash. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash and still get Walgreens cash back on this. You just wouldn't want to use Walgreens cash if you're putting this together as a spend booster. So, completely free with that Walgreens cash back. But if you have the Fetch rewards, check and see if you have a $2 offer on Colgate products, because that makes them completely free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, if you're not using Fetch rewards yet, grab it using my referral code, because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Another easy deal that you can do curbside is on the Icy Hot lidocaine. You can do it in store too, but sometimes the in-store prices are higher than the online prices. And so I place them as curbside orders. That way I get the online price. Some stores will price match. My store will not. Okay, so this is $6.99. There is a $3 digital coupon as well as a $3 store digital coupon, making your final cost just 99 cents. I also picked up this Excedrin. It is $4.99. There is a $3 digital coupon, making it $1.99. But submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get $1.50 back, making it just 49 cents. Now, if you're brand new to Ibotta and you get it using my referral code, you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. And of course, Fetch and Ibotta are completely free. You don't have to pay for those apps. I also picked up the Bic Soleil razors. These are $5.99. There's a $5 digital coupon, making these just 99 cents. The last item that I got as a curbside deal was on the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne product. Okay, so I picked this up because there's a great Ibotta offer. They're also buy 2, get 1 free. So I bought 3 of these at $8.79. The buy 2, get 1 free took $8.79 off. I then had a $5 off 2 digital coupon that I had clipped last week. Now, if you don't have that one, there's also a $3 and a $1 coupon that would apply. But I had the 5 off 2. So I paid $12.58. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got $4 back on 2 of them. The limit was 2. So I got $8 back on Ibotta, making my final cost $4.58 for all 3 of them, or just $1.52 each. Now, let's talk about how I put these together to use my Spend 20, Get 5 digital booster. Got all the products I just talked about, the Neutrogena, the Colgate, the Icy Hot, the Excedrin, and the Bic Soleil. Now, I also used the code PRIDE10 that took off $1.76. It was when you spend a certain amount on personal care products, it took off a percentage. So I got $1.76 off with that coupon code. Now, when all is said and done, I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate and the $5 in the spend booster, as well as the Fetch and the Ibotta rebates. It made everything completely free and $1.73 moneymaker. So great deal on the curbside order this morning. Let me tell you a couple more deals you might want to do. These Cheez-Its, I talked about them last week. The deal is still going on, and it's cheaper when you place it as a curbside order. So these are 2 for $5, but they're buy 1, get 1 free, which makes them 2 for $2.50 or just $1.25 per box. Now, I told y'all my brain was scattered, and here's evidence of that. This Persil, I thought I placed this as a curbside order, but apparently I didn't. I was planning to buy it in store, which I forgot to do. So I totally pulled this out of my laundry cabinet. But there's a great deal on this Persil laundry detergent. It is $5.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $3.99. But then there's an Ibotta offer for $1 back, making your final cost just $2.99. And I know a lot of people love the Persil laundry detergent, myself included. Now, clearance deals. Toys are still on clearance. A lot of them in my store were not marked, so I want to tell you about them. These adorable Disney baby books were just $1.99. The Lego sets, and I know when my son was big into Legos, I could hardly ever find a great deal on Legos. This Lego set here was ringing up $3.99, so great price on that. This little cloud toy was $1.39. And this Imaginax, this was ringing up $1.89. So great deals on toys if your store still has those. I also found playing cards. There were a lot of them, marked down to $1.19. Which was 90% off. So these cards were like over 10 bucks to begin with. I also saw some playing cards marked down to like 54 cents, but my store was out of those. So double check. These are always like on the end of an aisle in my stores. So if you need playing cards, I like to throw those into gifts. Great deal on playing cards. Now, a few more grocery deals that you might want to take advantage of. The big cans of tuna are 2 for $6. They also had jam. They had 2 different kinds. One was 2 for $6, but actually the better deal is on the larger jar at 1 for $3.99. You could totally use your Walgreens cash to pay for those. And both of those prices are cheaper than what I would buy at my local grocery store. I also saw sodas on sale 2 for $6, as well as some soup on sale 2 for $5. It's way too hot here to eat soup, but they are on sale 2 for $5 at Walgreens this week. So stay tuned later in the week. I am hoping to pop by Walgreens again. Once I've had a good cup of coffee and my brain starts working a little bit better, I'm hoping to put together that awesome scenario for you guys and share some more personal care products. If you have deals that you have found and you want to share them, I'd love to know about them. A couple of people emailed me this weekend with different deals, and I love that. So definitely let me know or drop it down in the comments and share with everyone. I love it to see other people helping each other out. One deal I didn't do that I'll pop up here on the screen is on the tattoo body marker. It's $5.99. There is a $5 digital coupon that makes that item just 99 cents. So great deal if that's a product that you have been wanting to buy. All right, stay tuned to the end of the video where I have some more clearance pictures, and I hope y'all have a great start to the week. Thanks.